Welcome back to my channel. It's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad that you made it back. Make sure that you watch this entire video because this is my favorite designer. They are the Toll Brothers. There was an open house down the street from my home. This is in my neighborhood and my house is being renovated. This house is very similar to mine and I wanted to take some ideas from it. The Toll Brothers are my favorite designers. I was asked who is my favorite decor designer, and this is it. So I'm going to show you a home that was renovated by the Toll Brothers, and my home will look similar to this but with my own touches. So I wanted to present this video to you and I hope that you enjoy it. Here is a shiplap wall. It's very contemporary, not really farmhouse but contemporary, and I don't really like to stick to one design. I love a classic trend in a decor home. I like to decor my properties, and as you know, when we moved to Florida we bought our home the same day because the market is so high here. But here is a model home that I'm showing you, and this is the laundry room and it is beautiful. My laundry room is a little bit bigger and I love light colors, so you'll see in my home that when I tour it, and I will, you'll see some similarities. A 2-car garage is here and I love light colors, light and airy, very non-trendy but classic looks. That's my style. Here's the kitchen. It's an antique white and they have some glass shelves in it as well with some crown molding, and I really love this kitchen. It has some dark kind of brush finishes to it and stainless steel appliances. On a Sunday, me and my husband love to go look around and get some ideas for our own home because it's being renovated. So we like to get out, get ice cream, go get a slush or something in this heat and tour homes. Here's an overlook of the kitchen. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Walnut Floors, and this home is very similar to mine. They have a lot of finishes. It looks like the furniture may be from a store down here called Bear and Z Gallery, as well as Ethan Allen. Here are some really pretty table settings, and I love table settings. As you watch my videos, I love to set my table, and I wanted to just show kind of a rustic glam look of their table settings. This is my favorite designer, the Toll Brothers. No one else can compare to them. I am big fans of the Toll Brothers and I love to tour their homes. This is where I get my ideas from. I love hair, nails, and makeup, but my heart is with decor and I love a really pretty home. So it's comfortable yet not trendy and a classic look. Hi! Here is the ensuite off the living room, and I love the ceilings to match the floors. There's some tray details up in the ceiling as well as on the floor, and there's some artwork in there as well. Next to it is a really pretty vignette buffet. I don't have any dressers in my room. I like a clean look in my room, so I really love this light and airy look. Beautiful walk-in closet. I don't like wire shelves, so I would have to have custom closets. So next is the master bathroom, and they took the tile work all the way up to the ceiling. I really like the details in the bathroom as well as the dark matte tray of the lining of the shower. I really like that. I really love the patterns mixed with the gray, mixed with the gray vanities and the water closet. The colors that they used was incredible. The patterns are not too busy and over the top, but it works. I'm going to head upstairs. And I love the stairs, how the dark contrasts the light with the pretty bamboo art. And it gives you a flavor of Florida. I really love this look. Here's a loft just like mine in my home. And there's an overlook with plenty of sunlight, natural sun coming through with a look down. It's just beautiful. So here's a look at the loft. It's very comfortable, inviting. They have some staged drinks out there, some beverages, and here's an overview of the loft. It's really similar to my home. I don't have as many windows. I have a big picture window, but it's very pretty. I like how they made space for a tiny office in the small hallway, so they made use of a lot of space in this home. Here is the heating ducts and the furnace and everything with some more wall art. And one of the bedrooms is based on ceiling. I love the oars and the ceiling motif inside the bedroom with the dressers to match. And the decor is very welcoming, yet not over the top. I really love how they decorated inside this room as far as it being sort of a traveler. And they also matched the bathroom as well. I really like the matte black look, which is totally different. Here is the service area for everything that's electronic inside that closet. And this is another use for a bedroom. They decided to make it a rec room because there's like 5 bedrooms inside the home. So they made use of this room as a rec room, kind of sort of a game room. And I thought they really gave it a really nice look, and I love those console tables. I have those as well. Here's a closet in the hallway and another guest bedroom. I also have twin beds inside my guest bedroom. And I'm still remodeling, so I'm getting some ideas, but hopefully you enjoyed looking at this video. If you want to see more videos like this, I can do them. There's homes all over in my neighborhood that's being snatched up in Florida. It's a hot market, so it's hard to try to find somewhere to live here, but it's easy to sell. And I'm not sure how long we'll be in the home that we are in because we own property as well. Here's an herb garden in the backyard, and I also have an herb garden in my home as well. That's sweet basil. And here's a look at the outdoor kitchen, and it's very similar to my home. But I cannot wait until my home is finished being renovated, and that way I can go ahead and do a home tour. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hi honey, hit that notification button. That way you'll know when I'm uploading. I upload every week. And also there's a golf course back here with a look at the backyard. So thank you for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. You want to see more of this? Just comment below and let me know what's your favorite part. Thank you and have a great day. Bye guys.